Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add the table in Google Docs on a computer. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browsers. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I add a table in this document. Go to Insert menu. Then you can see here are table options. Click this table and I choose 4 into 2 table, no sorry 5 into 3 table, then press OK. Now select this table to drag on your computer on your mouse, then go to border color drop down menu. Now choose your border color. I choose yellow. Then you can increase border white, increase this border white menu and choose 4pt, then click outside in this table. Now you can see I add the table in Google Docs on a computer very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.